Looking to tame chaotic IT support with just one platform? Let's see if LogMeIn Resolve has the answer.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we're diving into LogMeIn Resolve, an IT operations platform that promises to streamline remote support, device management, and security under one roof. We have already put together an in-depth written review with up-to-the-minute deals on bestreviews.net, so head there for all the granular details. In this video, we'll cover what Resolve is, how it works in practice, the features that really stand out, how its pricing and trials stack up, what kind of help you can expect if something goes sideways, and finally, who we think will benefit most from adopting it today. Let's start with the basics. Formerly known as GoToAssist, Rescue Assist, and GoToResolve, LogMeIn Resolve has grown into a full IT management hub. Installation is refreshingly flexible, as you can deploy lightweight agents manually with exe or pkg installers, push silent installs via command line, or roll everything out through third-party MDMs. After installing the Resolve agent on the target device, you must verify them to start managing them. This process is quick and won't take much of your time. Once endpoints check in, the dashboard device module lights up with real-time CPU, memory, patch, antivirus, and scripted metric data, so technicians know exactly what's happening before they jump into a session. When support is needed, agents can connect in 4 different ways: unattended, PIN, shareable link, or mobile camera share, without asking users to tweak settings. In-session tools cover clipboard sync, file transfer, reboot, chat, and multi-monitor switching, and they feel faster and more intuitive than most platforms we've tested. Every interaction is logged and recorded, meaning audits and remote session reviews are only one click away. In short, Resolve wraps setup, monitoring, and day-to-day support into a single, streamlined workflow. Where Resolve truly flexes is in the wide array of tools it bakes into that dashboard. Instead of bolting on third-party add-ins, the platform ships with native ticketing, patch management, Bitdefender-powered antivirus, automation, and core remote monitoring and management capabilities. That means fewer moving parts, fewer vendor contracts, and a single pane of glass for both frontline agents and administrators. The Zero Trust security model deserves special attention. Each agent identity is cryptographically signed, every action requires endpoint confirmation, and multi-factor enforcement is available at both the user and policy levels. Session traffic is encrypted in transit with TLS and stored at rest using AES 256, and the service is audited against SOC 2 plus a long list of global standards. For companies operating in regulated verticals, that level of baked-in compliance can remove weeks of procurement friction. Device oversight is equally robust. Custom policies let you enforce antivirus status, block unapproved software, and schedule patches across Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS. Real-time metrics feed into a reporting engine that spits out PDF summaries, which is handy for executives who want a quick health snapshot without digging through raw data. If something looks off, automation rules can trigger scripts, reboot devices, or even open tickets automatically, turning reactive support into proactive maintenance. The help desk module feels mature too. Tickets can be raised via email, form, chat, or the self-service portal, and each arrives pre-populated with rich device context, so agents aren't chasing basic specs. SLAs, priority queues, and routing groups are all configurable, while end users can track progress from the same branded portal they use to ask for help. During live sessions, camera sharing on mobile devices lets technicians see physical equipment problems, such as frayed cables or flashing error LEDs, without scheduling an on-site visit. Compared with many remote support-only tools, Resolve consistently goes deeper, covering both the immediate fix and the long-term operation care cycle. The only notable omissions are just-in-time privilege elevation and full remote control on iOS, which power users might miss, but neither gap is a deal-breaker for most teams. Resolve's plans are tiered around how many endpoints you need to manage and how deeply you want to automate. The entry level focuses on remote access, mid-tiers add broader support and monitoring, while the top package unlocks full endpoint management with AI diagnostics and automation scheduling. Licenses are sold per technician once you leave the base tier, so costs scale with team size. While monthly billing is available, opting for annual payment shaves nearly 20% off the total and bundles in unlimited sessions. A free 30-day trial that doesn't require a credit card, lets you stress test every feature before committing. For the latest promotions, check out our written review where we keep all information up to date. LogMeIn backs Resolve with a healthy mix of self-service and human help. The knowledge base, community forum, and YouTube tutorials cover everything from first-time deployment to advanced scripting. But if you need direct assistance, submit a ticket through the online form or email, and you'll usually hear back within a few hours. Short, scheduled video calls with a specialist are available for administrators who want a guided setup checklist. Social channels and a regularly updated blog round out the resources, so answers are never far away, even outside normal business hours. To wrap up, Resolve shines as an all-in-one platform that combines remote support, patching, antivirus, ticketing, and reporting without burying teams in complexity. Its flexible deployment options, zero-trust security, and automation engine help IT departments swap reactive firefighting for proactive maintenance. The learning curve is real, and mobile control on iOS plus just-in-time elevation remain on our wish list. But those drawbacks feel minor next to the time savings and visibility you gain. Resolve is particularly well-suited for small to mid-size IT teams that want enterprise-grade oversight without juggling multiple vendors. As always, head to our full written review on bestreviews.net for more information and current deals. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!